Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you how to do OK loss for a 4.5 generation multivan using KD new product VW cable. We need to prepare KD VW cable, 12 power supply, KD JB key, KD-X4, and of course KD Mate is also supported for this function. Next, let me teach you step by step how to complete it. The first step is to remove the dashboard from the vehicle. Then we can see that number of this dashboard is this AA0R, and this is a NEC24C6 dashboard. The second step is to connect the dashboard, 12 power supply and KD-X4 or to the KD VW cable. Okay, done. Turn on the switch to power on the dashboard and it's done. And check the mileage of the dashboard and remember it is important. 5,040,191. Okay. The third step is to select the corresponding matching program to obtain the anti-shift date in more programming. VW. Start execution. Obtain anti-shift date. There are 2 logging methods in total, and you can try them one by one. There must be one that can read out the date. And we already know this dashboard is logging mode 2, so we choose this one. Okay. According to the prompt, we need to know which point to hold with this needle. So we need to go back and read the corresponding picture. KD VW wearing harness, wearing diagram. Choose the right one. This is what we need. Compare. So the point is this one. Okay. Clearly function again. Loading mode 2. Okay. Turn off this switch. Use this needle. Okay. Click OK. 5,491. Okay. Reading. Okay, successfully. Save. Okay. Nextly, we generate the dealer key. This is JB key. Put the JB key to the coil. Okay. Generate. Okay. JB. Okay. Generating. Right, successfully. Okay. And nextly, we need to learn key programming. Okay. 1. Okay. We need to put the key to this position. Okay. Okay, successfully. We can check the anti-shift state of the key. It is normal. Okay.